Question number 23, 3 times 2 parenthesis 3 divided by 2 square. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer, whatever it will be, right or wrong. I will give you shout out here. So solve by your own and comment your answer. So if here we can see there are actually 3 or 4 operations are there. So we will use here PEMDAS. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. First preference will be given to parenthesis. So we will operate this parenthesis part. Okay. And that inner operation. Okay. So we will rewrite our question here. 3 times 2, 3 by 2, like 3 divided by 2 can be written as 3 by 2 or 1.5. So this is the simple way. So we will use 3 by 2 as like this. 3 by 2 square. Now everything that is equal to a square, that means what? 3 times 3 divided by 2 times 2. Okay, so we will write like this. Why we are solving this? Because after PEMDAS, next preference will be given to exponent. So this operation will be done next. We will write our question again. 3 times 2, when we operate, we will get this times 3 times 3 divided by 2 times 2. Now all operations are there in a simple way. So you can simply use your mathematics, simple mathematics. 2 times 1, 2 times 1. Okay. So our simplified version of this question will be 3 times 3 divided by 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. 3 times 3, that is 9, and 9 into 3, which will be what? 27 divided by 2. Or you can say 13 1 by 2. So here right answer is 13 1 by 2. And if you're seniors, then must check out our best product link in the description. Like this video and subscribe watching for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.